want to share with you 3 tips to help you to find your style today. How can you find your own style? I think it has been my number 1 question that I ask myself every day when I first started. I kept seeing people with a very recognizable style, very consistent and very unique, while my work was just random, not great. The style was changing every day and I couldn't really figure out why and how to change that. For the years, I've been working a lot on this topic. And today, I want to share with you 3 tips to help you to find your style. And if you are interested in this topic and you want to know more, well, you can get my free ebook where I detail step by step with exercises that you need to do during 8 days to figure out what is your style and to help you to actually find it. So don't hesitate to visit the link in the description. This is free. Tip number 1, find your heroes. Look for at least 3 artists that inspire you and ask yourself why their work inspire you. Take notes, like really take a pen, take a paper and write down why it inspires you. It will help you to gain clarity on why. And by writing it and not only thinking inside of yourself, is going to become more conscious. So take notes, what makes their work consistent, what makes their work unique, what is the thing where you can tell, oh yeah, I know that this is this person doing that work. So yeah, basically study their style. Well, it's kind of 2 tips into 1. Find your heroes and study them. Tip number 2, be careful of where you are looking for inspiration. Sometimes we tend to think that someone who has thousands of followers is someone who is good. And while this is probably true for a lot of people, it's not always true. Because some people maybe have 2 followers or maybe don't have a social media account and is actually very good with very great technique and a very unique style. So don't get influenced and decide for yourself what you like or not. This is the reason why I wouldn't recommend to look for inspiration only on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And I will recommend you to go on places like Pinterest, Behance, like photography contests. I will add a few links in the description if you wanna have a look at different pages. Tip number 3, experiment. You don't have to post everything you do on social media. You don't have to show anyone all the ugly things that you are testing out in the software or with your camera. So even if you are testing horrible things, no one is going to know it. So do it. That's how you learn. That's how you figure out what you like, what you don't like. That's how you figure out your own workflow that is going to create your style. So experiment every day. Try to recreate the style of your favorite artist and then try the style of another artist and just mix together the techniques that you learn while trying to copying other artist's style. So with everything you learn, you're gonna create your own style. So finding your style is definitely a long process. It's not going to happen overnight, but it's also not going to happen magically. You need to take action to make it happen. So be proactive about it and you'll be close to find your own style. I hope that these few steps helped you. If you want to know more and need exercise and detailed step by step, you can get my free ebook. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like the video if you liked it and to subscribe to my channel.